Welcome back to the channel. Greetings from Koh Samui. In this video, I'm going to be taking you on a full tour around the Marasca, one of the newest hotel properties here on Chaweng Beach. It's been open for about 6 months, and I'm going to be showing you around the whole hotel, as well as Cabanas, which is the restaurant bar right on Chaweng Beach. Highly recommend staying at this place if you're coming to Koh Samui for a vacation. Enjoy the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and let's get to it. Okay, nice.
Stay with us tonight.
That's right.
Check in today, check out 29 September.
Yes.
Complimentary room with breakfast, and then complimentary 2 times at dinner and drink.
This is the lobby at Marasca where you're going to be checking in when you arrive. And you'll sit here, they'll give you a welcome drink and then show you to your room after you check in.
Tonight we have Queen of Cabanas. We offer you the dinner. You can check at the menu, and the staff will recommend you about our signature dish.
Okay.
You can try. You have allergy or something?
No, nothing. No allergies.
Good. This one includes things. You can also the drink that you can order. Our signature at the bar is cocktail. You drink alcohol?
Yes. So this is a secret compartment at Marasca where you can just step in here, and we've got board games. You can sit here and work if you want, relax. Pet-friendly hotel. They've also got the pet toys here as well.
And almost every day we offer the wellness activity in the morning and some workshop in the afternoon. So if the guests want to exercise by themselves, they can also go outside. Some gym stuff here.
I see you have exercise equipment in here as well. Cool. Yoga? Yoga classes in the morning?
Yoga not every day. I think 2 times per week we have.
Okay.
Also boot camp. It's fun. We will have some ice cream, that surprise flavor that we change every day. Yes, around 1 hour you can come and take ice cream to refresh you.
4:30 to 5:30.
Yes.
Free ice cream. I'll be here.
See youนะคะ.
Thank you. Come book up. Okay, now this nice lady Beam is taking me to my room.
See Cabana Koh Samui is big club นะคะ open 7 until midnight, and you can eat breakfast at the cabana. So for billing fee, we have complimentary. Our chef make vegetable juice every morning.
Oh.
2:10.
Okay, I will try that. This is the comfy villa with a private plunge pool. Ooh.
Welcome to Marasca.
Wow, wow. Very nice. Check it out.
This is Marasca tea.
Ah.
Espresso coffee.
Excellent. Coffee machine too.
This is your water. We set for water per day. If you like more, you can order with us also.
Perfect.
This is a fish chip, coconut flour. It's like
And a nice little postcard addressed to me right here from the assistant front office manager. Cool. And here's the private plunge pool. Wow, 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 wow. So nice. You can just come out here, relax, enjoy the pool. I just checked into the Marasca, which is a brand new luxury hotel right on Chaweng Beach. And got the postcard right here to prove it. And I'm gonna be staying here for the next 2 nights doing a media collaboration with the manager. So I'm excited to show you around the place, and more information, link in the description below, where you can make a reservation at this beautiful luxury resort in Chaweng. It's a beautiful sunny day at the Marasca, and I'm on my way to meet a friend at the pool. He's just stopping by. I invited him for lunch today. So yeah, let's check it out. Cabanas Koh Samui, as you can see. Check it out. Brand new property. It's been open for about 6 months, I believe. So yeah, very, very nice swimming pool here. Plenty of lounge area as well. And they also have fire shows on the weekends. And this is the kids zone. So if you have kids, they can play in this swimming pool, separate from the main swimming pool. Right here. Also some restaurants as well. Tacos. Tonight they're going to be doing the Queens of Cabanas with live DJs, fire show, special offer for ladies. And if we keep walking this way, we'll go straight to the beach. It's got beachfront access. This is Chaweng Beach. Just step straight down to the beach from here. Look at that. And now you're on Chaweng Beach. Incredible. Just another day in paradise here in Samui. Swadikap! Shooting a little video? Okay.
Welcome to Cabana.
Aha! Glad to be here.
And tonight we have dancing floor here.
Okay, right here in the pool.
Yes.
Oh.
We clear the
And-
water.
Wow.
And, for the dancing pool.
Excellent. And fire show on the beach.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Here, they also have a lot of handmade products that are locally sourced right here in Thailand, many of them from Samui, I believe. So, you know, if you're a lady and you want to buy something nice as a souvenir or something to take back home, you can do that here at Cabanas. And they also sell these bags as well, which are also provided in your room when you check in, but you can buy them here too. So, nice little take-home gift. And I like how they've integrated nature, such as this very tall tree here. They've integrated the nature into the hotel infrastructure. It's pretty nice. This is the restaurant at Cabanas. I'm just about to eat dinner. And yeah, so they've got everything set up here. It's right on the beach. There's Chaweng Beach, and here's the restaurant. Nicely lit at Cabanas. They also have food stalls here too, so you can get salad, sushi. They have a satay bar, and then more as well, taco bar, a few other things. So they have the craft beer. This is a Thai style craft beer, and they also have the cocktail as well, which they brought both of them out to me. And now I'm just waiting on my dinner to arrive, get some work done on my laptop here. They're just now setting up for the party. They have a live DJ right there. All right. Rock and roll. Good morning from Marasca. Just about to get breakfast here at the Cabanas. They've got signature breakfast dishes. It's all really healthy too, healthy choices you can see, as well as Asian breakfast, so I'm probably gonna get something here. And obviously coffee, fresh juice. I just got the chicken taco, which is excellent. That's the second time trying this taco. And it comes with 2 large-sized tacos. So these are really good. Also, the fish tacos are great. And we also got the fish and chips as well, right here. Looks fantastic. And sushi. Also the sushi, California rolls. So they also have an ice cream shop right here on Chaweng Beach. So if you want to get an ice cream, you can just stop in here. First come, first serve right here. Not something you see every day. It's nice and cool in here. You can sit back, relax, have a nice ice cream, cool down right on Chaweng Beach. That's right.
นะคะคือคุณแมรี่จะสามารถเป็นนวดตัวอื่นก็ได้ค่ะเพราะว่า because lava shell massage we mix lava shell with aromatherapy and hot stone massage and hot stone if feel too hot you can change to another one to Marasca signature massage or muscle release massage.
That was maybe one of the best massages I've had in a long time. I actually fell asleep. It's so relaxing. This is the ginger tea. Alright. Cheers. Ready? Cheers.
ที่ทำมานำเสนอคือโทมาโต้แอปเปิ้ลเซอร์รี่แล้วก็พายแอปเปิ้ลครับมิกซ์รวมกันแล้วเรียบร้อย
They also have these vegetable shots that you can do in the morning before breakfast. Oh yeah? What you gonna get? You go ahead.
ลูกค้าลอง
They have this secret compartment behind a bookshelf at Marasca. Open there. So you can step inside here and relax in the cool air conditioning while you wait to check in. Check it out. So you can sit here. Then they also have board games, Monopoly. I believe this is backgammon. And yeah, lots of board games you can play. Uno as well while you wait. Thank you so mumuch for the pleasant stay at Marasca.
Thank you very much. Hope to see you again soon.
Come to Krab. Thank you.